Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to find Clipboard on Android. So let's get started. So if you want to find that Clipboard option on your Android device, what you can do is just simply open up your keyboard. So to open up your keyboard, what you can do is just simply select any one of the messaging application. For example, I'll select Telegram and then select a person that I would like to message, and after doing that you have to open up your keyboard, and after opening up your keyboard, now what you can do is just tap on this pad like icon which is on the middle of your keyboard. So you can find this option, so just tap on it. So after tapping on that option, you have successfully accessed your clipboard. And now in order to use your clipboard, what you can do is you have to check if your clipboard is turned on. So it might be turned off. What you can do is just simply turn it on, and what this does is it will save your copied text. For example, I'll just type in something and then copy it. And after copying it, now if you open up your clipboard, here you can see the copied text. So what this does is it will allow you to copy a different number of text. For example, so you can copy a number of texts, and after copying this number of text, now what you can do is you can just simply open up your clipboard and then just send it. So that's it guys, this is how to find Clipboard on Android. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.